tutorial, I'll show you how to fix no sound in Audacity in 2026. If your recording plays but you can't hear anything, or Audacity produces no playback audio, these troubleshooting steps can help. First, check your computer's volume and make sure your speakers or headphones are working correctly. Play another audio file to confirm that the output device itself is functioning. Next, open Audacity and check the selected playback device. Make sure it points to the headphones or speakers you actually want to use. If you have multiple audio devices connected, the wrong output may be selected. Choose the correct device and try playing the track again. Also check the track's volume controls. Make sure the track isn't muted and that its gain or volume level hasn't been reduced completely. Look at the waveform as well. If the waveform is extremely small or appears nearly flat, the recording itself may be too quiet rather than the playback being broken. Try increasing the track volume slightly and play the audio again. If the sound is still missing, check the master or playback volume settings in Audacity. You can also restart Audacity after changing audio devices. This can help the application recognize a newly connected headset or speaker. If you're using an external audio interface, check its physical output controls and make sure the correct monitoring output is connected. Test another audio file inside Audacity if possible. This helps you determine whether the issue affects one recording or the entire application. If Audacity still has no sound, check your operating system's audio output and application volume settings. Make sure Audacity isn't muted separately. You can also check for updates to Audacity and your audio drivers if the issue continues. Once playback works, test both existing files and a short new recording to confirm that input and output are functioning correctly. And that's how to fix no sound in Audacity. Check the computer volume, playback device, track controls, and operating system audio settings before testing again. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next